Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Anker Soundcore Life A3i or Life.3i wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't and you decide you want to just get a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a set of earbuds that I have and I like. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete the pairing history, clear it all out so you can set these earbuds up like they're brand new coming out of the box. We can do this very easily on these earbuds. We just want to place them into the case as shown here. Make sure you've got a decent charge on everything like that, and keep the lid open on the case. And then you're just going to come in and press the button on the case for 10 seconds, basically holding it until the LED indicator on the case blinks 3 times red, and that will confirm that the reset is successful, at which point you can go ahead, take these earbuds out, and set them up like a brand new set of earbuds.